This is how I make Yellow Matar Chaat, which is a way more healthier version than our usual chaats, and it also satisfies those chaat wali cravings. Just soak these yellow peas for 4 to 8 hours or overnight and pressure cook until soft. Now just take a bowl and place the boiled matar or peas in this bowl. Basically, yellow peas are high in protein and high in fiber. Now add a bit of chaat masala and sweetened curd, a pinch of red chili powder on the top and salt to taste. Add chopped onions, and you can add tamarind or saunt ki chutney, which gives that tangy flavor to it. Then you can add green chutney. Green chutney can be of mint or coriander as you like. Then add beetroot. I'm also adding grated paneer for more protein. And lastly, you can garnish it with coriander and save. And this is how you make a healthy, protein rich, and so addictive chaat for yourself. Do try this at home and let me know how fast your bowl disappears.